So you want to add GST number in Amazon. First, open the Amazon website on your laptop to begin the process. Search for the Amazon login page in your browser. Enter your account details to sign in securely. Once logged in, you will see your Amazon dashboard. Move your cursor to the profile icon on the screen. Click to open your account options. Select the Your Account section from the menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Scroll down until you find the Payments section. Click on the Your Payments option. The Payments dashboard will now open. Look for the Settings tab inside this section. Click on Settings to open more options. Here you will find your tax information area. Scroll until you see the tax information option. Click on Add Tax Information to continue. A form will appear for entering your GST details. Make sure to select the correct account type. Enter your registered business name carefully. Now type your GST number without mistakes. Double-check the GST number for accuracy. Next, enter your business address details. Fill in your city and postal code correctly. Select your state from the drop-down menu. Add your phone number linked to the business. Review all the details you have entered. Make sure everything is correct and complete. Tick the confirmation checkbox provided. Now click the Save button to submit your details. Wait for the system to process your request. You will see a confirmation message on the screen. Your GST details have been successfully added. Go back to your account settings to verify. Open the Tax Information section again. You should now see your GST number listed. This means your setup is complete. You can now enjoy business benefits on Amazon. You can also check this in the Amazon mobile app. Open the Amazon app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon inside the app. Go to your account settings in the app. Scroll to the Payments or Tax section. Open the Tax Information option. Your GST details will be visible here as well. This confirms everything is saved correctly. Now your Amazon account is GST verified. This helps with proper billing and invoices. And that's how you add GST number in Amazon easily.